Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you guys are new to my channel and you have not seen any of my other videos, you might want to go back and watch my first Color Street video. The first one was kind of my very first impressions, me trying them on for the first time and just kind of talking about them a little bit. So if you haven't watched that video yet, click on somewhere up here. I will have it linked above and below in the description box if you guys want to go check that out. In the first video, I kind of just talked about what they were. I showed myself applying them, and then I showed you guys what they looked like, and then I told you I would do an update in like 3 weeks or so. 2 or 3 weeks, whatever. So we're just gonna do some chatting today because I have many thoughts. So this is actually my second set of Color Street since I did that video. The first set only lasted, I want to say, like a week. I'll insert some pictures here so you guys. So after like the first week, these two fingers were the worst. I don't know why, but they were like really starting to chip, and like they were just kind of going away. Now they're grown out, so I understand that, but like the other ones, it was just those two nails and they were just kind of like gone right here, which was very bizarre. I do wash my hands a lot and I do dishes a lot during the day, so I'm assuming that's why. So I was a little disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. I thought that they were gonna last a lot longer, but I had so many other sets that I wanted to try out anyway, so I was like, whatever, you know, I'll just take these off and try a new set. So the girl that I ordered them from had uploaded a video, and I will insert some video clips of this as well and show you guys what she said to do. So you take a bowl of warm water. I just use like hot water from the faucet, and then you take a Ziploc baggie or just a bag, whatever, and you put some nail polish remover in there. She uses a certain brand or certain kind. I just used acetone from Sally's that I use to take off my polish. And then you just kind of, you put your fingers in the bag and then put them in the hot water. And I was actually pretty shocked at how easy it was starting to come off. Like I just put them in there for like a minute, and then I just kind of started rubbing them, and they really did start to come off. But I only have experience with the glitters, and I will tell you they are kind of a pain in the booty to take off because glitter gets everywhere. So it was coming off my nails, but it was getting all over my fingers, like everywhere. It was literally everywhere. So once I did that the first time, I got it all off of the nails, and then I think I took a cotton ball and I tried to like get it off of my fingers, my actual skin, and it wasn't quite working very well. And I figured it would come off like the more I washed my hands, but I really wanted to put on another set. So I ended up taking a file and just kind of filing gently my skin, like those parts, and it did come right off. That was one of my only like drawbacks. These glitters are kind of a pain in the butt to get off. But so then after that, I applied, this is my second set. This is, I want to say, Tokyo Lights, and this is another glitter, all glitter. I'm obsessed with the glitter ones. I have yet to try just the plain ones. So yeah, I put these on, and like I said in the first video, I love how the application process is. It's so quick and easy. I do love that. That's probably my favorite part. I will say, so the first set, I put those on, and then my daughters, like 2 days later, they wanted me to do their nails. Well, if you watched in the first video, I showed you a little hack about how you can seal them with your flat iron, like after you open them so they'll stay fresh. Well, I did that, and then when I put them on my daughters, they lasted like a day. They did not last long. That's one of my only kind of complaints, is that I feel like they're very wasteful. Like if you don't use them all at once, they're not really staying fresh. The whole sealing them with the flat iron didn't personally work for me very well. So I did these, and I did these on October 10th, and today is the 22nd, right? Oh, 23rd, today's the 23rd. What happened to the 22nd? So today's the 23rd, so that is 13 days? 13 days, so almost 2 weeks. And they're not bad. They're grown out, so you can definitely see like at the tip, like, or at the base, they're definitely grown out, and they, like at the tips of them, they are definitely starting to come off a little bit. I'm gonna do a close-up, don't judge, like my nails are just a hot mess, but yeah, so this is what they look like. I'll also insert some pictures because for some reason this light just isn't really So yeah, if you can see like right here, they're definitely grown out. And then at the tips, you can see like they started to come off a little bit. Overall, they're not bad, but one thing that is kind of annoying is like, if you feel them right up here at the base, they're kind of rough. It's almost like, although I will say these don't really get caught in your hair. I remember the Jamberry ones, I would just like run my fingers through my hair, like even washing it, and they would get stuck. These get caught a little bit, but they don't get stuck. Like I literally used to have hair come out like underneath the nails. Like those are awful. So these don't really do the same thing, but they do feel a little rough here at the base. That is kind of annoying. If it, you know, it kind of bothers me because I don't know why I always like mess with them and I can just feel it. But yeah, I mean, I definitely think that these things they're definitely better than regular polish, because as much as I do dishes and wash my hands and everything, when I paint my nails, it lasts maybe a day before they start chipping. So I will say these definitely last a lot longer. I mean, I don't know of any normal manicure that would last almost 2 weeks. I think for my next set, I'm gonna try, I got like a solid color, I wanna say, a solid, and then I may try doing just like an accent nail, doing glitter like on top of one of those and just see how those work out. But overall, I do think these are a good product. They're better than any of the other ones I've ever tried. The other ones are actually more like stickers and they don't last. These definitely last. They are good quality. I do enjoy them. I like putting them on. Like I love that part. It's super easy. The taking off isn't the most fun, but whatever, it is what it is. But one other thing I will say, someone commented in my last video about, apparently you can buy like these same exact these nail strips at Walmart. So I kind of did some digging after I saw that comment, and I found a couple videos that talked about, apparently the guy that owns Color Street also owns like 2 other nail companies, or like they're basically the same product, just different names. And one, if not 2, both of the other names are sold at Walmart, and they're half the price. So I have yet to go look for them yet. They're like $6. I did hear that the selection, like the color selection, is not anywhere near as big as the Color Street, because I mean, you could go on the Color Street website and find literally anything you're looking for. And they've got Christmas ones coming out, they had Halloween. So, but I found that very interesting that you could go buy these pretty much same exact nails at Walmart for half the price, which is crazy. I actually even thought, like for a minute when I first got these, I kind of thought for a minute like, maybe I should sell these just because they're fun and girls like to have pretty nails, and you know, it's fun to do stuff like that. But I don't know, I just don't think I want to do that. But I will continue ordering these. They are fun, like I said, but I just, the 2 drawbacks I would say are the removal and then the keeping them fresh. I just feel like they're really wasteful. I almost wish that they would come in 2, like one set would come in like 2 different like packaging maybe, like, so you'd only have to open one at a time. I don't know. I just feel like once you open that one, then they're just not really gonna stay fresh unless you use them all. But it's like, you would have to do your nails, your toes, your friend's nail and toes, both my kids, both their, like, I don't know. I just feel like it's just kind of wasteful to me. But I do enjoy these, and I give them a thumbs up. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would probably rate them at like an 8, because I do like them a lot. They're definitely better than regular nail polish. They're definitely gonna last a lot longer. I just wanted to come on and tell you guys my kind of final thoughts and my honest opinion about these. I will say, like in the first video, I was blown away, and I was very optimistic to see how long they lasted. So anywho, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this follow-up video. Let me know if you guys are a fan of these or what you think. Let me know if you've tried the Walmart ones. I'm curious. I kind of want to go try them and just see like how they compare, because I watched another video and the girl said they were literally the same exact product. So I am kind of curious to go see how those work out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.